This video will go over how to submit documents and transcripts for 105 applicants or those not currently enrolled in an Ontario high school. So the first step is to log into your applicant portal and see what documents we require from you. You will have received an applicant acknowledgement email after you applied that includes your student number and the steps to log into your applicant portal. Here's an example of your document requirements in your applicant portal. As you can see on the left, we list all the required documents, and the next column, titled Comment, will have further details as to what we require from that document. And then we'll give you our deadline dates and a status of if your document has been received or not. If it has been received, there will be a date populated, and if it is not, it'll say not received. So here are some examples of documents that we would require and how to submit them. So if you attended an Ontario high school, college, or university, to submit your transcripts, they should be ordered through OUAC. If you attended another college or university, to have it officially sent to us, it can be emailed directly from the issuing institution to futurestudent@ontariotechu.ca. If you would like to send in a copy, you can do that through the Secure Applicant Messaging tool, which is SAM through OUAC. If you're required to provide English language proficiency, you can send us a copy of your test results from, for example, IELTS or TOEFL through SAM on OUAC or through our document upload page. If you want to send us results officially, they can be sent directly from the issuing institution to futurestudent@ontariotechu.ca. If you send in a copy, we can verify a lot of the results online, and then we would convert it into an official document. If we require your passport, this can be done through SAM or through the document upload page. If you are planning on upgrading, you should give us proof of enrollment in that course first, and that can be done at ontariotechu.ca/upgrading. Your final upgrading marks should be emailed directly to Future Student from your upgrading school. If you want to submit a copy while we wait for an official, that can also be sent through SAM or the document upload page. If you apply to the nursing program, we will require your CASPER results. Those are automatically sent to us from CASPER as long as you ensure to put your student number in correctly so that we can match your results to your application. If you apply to one of our college to university transfer programs or to our Bachelor of Education program, one of the requirements is proof of degree conferral or proof of diploma conferral. This is listed on your final official transcript. So if you went to Ontario, just order your final transcript through OUAC and it will be listed on there. If you attended another post-secondary institution not in Ontario, just have your official transcripts emailed to us directly from the issuing institution. If you have any questions, feel free to email us.